everyone, Kez here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Today's video is going to be an at-home facial. All the products will be listed down below, so definitely check them out. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to like the video if you like it and leave a comment on your thoughts or what you like to do for your at-home facials. So let's get right into the video. So first we're going to cleanse. I'm using the Face Shop's rice water foaming cleanser, and this thing is super gentle. I love it for my skin. I got it off of Amazon. It's just so gentle. It cleanses my skin really well. It doesn't strip my skin. My skin stays hydrated. Even though I'm oily, I like to stay hydrated, so I love this cleanser. And I'm taking my Zoe from Quick Sonic, and I'm doing a light mechanical exfoliation. This is just to cleanse my skin deeper than I would with just my hands, and it just does a really good job at cleansing my skin without being harsh. And I'm just patting. I rinse my skin off camera and I'm patting it dry with a clean paper towel. That's how I like to dry my skin, just because it is sensitive in that if I do use something dirty I will break out. Now I'm taking the Kismet buffing lip scrub, and I'm going to scrub my lips. Exfoliating your lips is very important. At this point, when I did this at-home facial, I hadn't done like face masks or anything in a couple of months, so it was great to just scrub my skin, get a good exfoliation. And yeah, so lip scrubs are important, especially when you have full lips, because it's very visible if your lips are dry. So now I'm taking a tweezer, and I don't know about you guys, but I have like some hairs that will grow out of nowhere on my cheek that are super thick sometimes, like just by itself, one thick hair on my cheek or my chin, or sometimes my brow hairs that grow back in are thicker. So I like to tweeze those thick hairs. And now I'm taking a one blade razor and shaving my face. And shaving your face is another form of exfoliation. It's called dermaplaning if you use a medical grade shaver, but I'm using one off of Amazon and it works really well because your skin ends up very smooth and your makeup applies very well afterwards, and also you're hairless. So yeah, but at this point, again, I hadn't shaved my face in like 2 months, but it was needed and it just worked really well to exfoliate my skin and make it very smooth. But when your hair goes back, for me, my hair doesn't grow back very thick. In general, I'm not very hairy, but I do get those sporadic thick hairs. So with the one blade razor, I shave my face, and it's important to pull your skin taut. When I had my tongue like sticking out underneath my mouth, that was just to make my skin taut in those areas. And for the areas that obviously I can't stick my tongue under, I just pull very lightly. Not, you don't like tug on your skin, but just pull it taut, so you can shave and get that nice close shave. Honestly, your skin's gonna be so smooth. You're gonna be like, what? Because it also does take off a little bit of skin, but very lightly, and it just works really well as a light exfoliator. So now I am taking my steamer. I bought the steamer off of Amazon. It's a game changer. And I'm applying my pore clearing clay mask at the same time. This one is from Innisfree. It isn't one of those masks that makes your skin super dry, so it doesn't dry your skin out, so it's perfect to go along with the steamer. Steaming and applying a face mask at the same time just opens up your pores, but also allows the mask to penetrate more deeply into your skin. And you're going to just apply it while you're going to apply it while you have your steamer on, and then it lasts about 10 minutes or so, the steamer, and then you leave it on for like 10 more minutes so that the mask can really just deeply penetrate your pores and do its job. So it just works really well together. If you guys have ever gotten a facial, you'll notice that sometimes they'll apply a mask while they have the steamer running on your face. So your pores are opening, but then you're also getting whatever is in your pores out of your pores. It's also so relaxing to do this. I was standing trying to get a good angle in my bathroom, but normally I would just sit down and have it like on my bed or something. Now I'm just going to wash that off. That was 10 minutes later. I washed with warm water just so that I can get all the clay off my face. But that mask is really nice. I love Innisfree's products in general. They're a Korean skincare brand, and they have amazing products, a lot with Jeju clay in them. So now I'm taking a what is this called? Extractor kit that I got off of Amazon. So you have to be very, very careful with this, you guys. I am taking an extractor just to get rid of like white heads. You can use it for blackheads, you can use it for pimples. I'm only using one. Make sure that you clean it with like alcohol before using it on your skin and after. That way you do not contaminate your skin. And be very, very gentle. I was actually a little rough with it, so I did end up breaking some skin in that same area that you just saw me extracting, but all I did was put some alcohol on it and it was fine, like, and it healed pretty quickly, no scarring. But just be very gentle with your face while extracting. But it is great to like get rid of that extra congestion in your skin. For me, I always have that congestion on the side of my nose for whatever reason, so extracting it is great. And I don't do this more than like once a month. But again, be gentle. Even there, I'm wiping that on an alcohol pad. So here's just the alcohol pad that I wiped some of that, whatever it was that came out of my skin, off on, so you guys can see that. But yeah. So now I'm taking the Pixie Glow Tonic to Go pads, and it's a toner. It has glycolic acid. If your skin is super sensitive, you may not want to use this as your toner. You could probably just use some rose water or a rose water toner that's more gentle. But for me, since again I was being very lazy with my daily routine, I absolutely love the Glow Tonic to Go pads. It just helps your skin be super glowy. It helps get rid of hyperpigmentation because it's another form of exfoliation, but it's a chemical exfoliant. Plus, the pads themselves have like a exfoliating side to them. It's just a great product all around. I absolutely love it. Holy grail for me. So now I'm taking a hydrating sheet mask, and this one is from Suwa. I believe I pronounced that correctly. It's another Korean skincare brand. And this is a purifying charcoal mask, but its main purpose is hydrating and moisturizing. So after all that, like, you cleansed, you did a clay mask, you extracted, you shaved your face, so now you need to put back some hydration into your face because you did a lot of exfoliating. So this mask is perfect for that. You can leave that on for about 20 minutes, and then whatever is left over after you peel the mask off your face, you leave it on as like a serum, and then you moisturize. I don't know where my moisturization clip went, but I lost it. So here I'm just taking my Zoe from Quick Sonic and using the opposite side. A lot of people like to use jade rollers to push product into their skin and make sure that it seeps in. I don't have a jade roller, but the Quick Sonic on the other side is made for that as well, so it's perfect for just pushing that product into your skin and really getting that nourishing ingredients into your skin. So yeah, after this I did apply a moisturizer. I used the e.l.f. I believe it's the hydrating moisturizer. It has hyaluronic acid in it, and I used my Skin Fix eye cream. I will link them both below. And that is it for this video, guys. I thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have you guys been trying to take care of your skin, or have you been super lazy? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.